Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A modern tiny home design is presented, showcasing efficient living spaces and a connection to nature. The video explores how the expansive garden complements the compact home, creating a harmonious and inspiring living environment. Showcase the exterior design of the tiny home, emphasizing its modern aesthetic. Highlight the home's compact size and its integration with the surrounding nature. Briefly mention the key features and design elements that make this tiny home stand out. Walk through the tiny home, showcasing the well-designed interior with functional living areas. Focus on clever storage solutions and multi-purpose furniture that maximize space efficiency. Demonstrate how the home's layout promotes a sense of spaciousness despite its compact size. Highlight the lush garden surrounding the tiny home, showcasing its diverse plants and flowers. Explain how the garden provides a sense of peace and tranquility, complementing the home's minimalist design. Showcase how the garden serves as an extension of the living space, offering opportunities for relaxation and recreation. Discuss the advantages of a tiny home lifestyle, emphasizing sustainability and reduced environmental impact. Show how the garden contributes to sustainable living through gardening, composting, and food production. Highlight the benefits of minimalist living, such as increased financial freedom and reduced clutter. Summarize the key points of the video, emphasizing the harmonious relationship between the tiny home and the garden. Offer inspiring takeaways for viewers interested in adopting a similar lifestyle. Conclude with a call to action, encouraging viewers to explore the possibilities of tiny home living and connecting with nature. A sunny, outdoor patio scene of a white stucco house with a terracotta tile roof, set within a landscaped garden. The house features a covered patio area with a wooden deck, lounge chairs, and a dining table with chairs. The garden is filled with various flowering plants, including lavender, succulents, and orange flowers. A path of white gravel leads toward the house. Large, various-toned rocks are scattered throughout the garden, creating a natural look. A small cactus is present near the house. The overall impression is one of a tranquil and inviting outdoor space. A modern, two-story house nestled within a lush, tropical rainforest setting. The house features a dark, metal-framed structure with large, floor-to-ceiling windows that flood the interior with warm, golden light, highlighting the interior design. The stone exterior walls blend seamlessly with the greenery. A meticulously landscaped garden surrounds the house, filled with vibrant tropical plants, banana trees, and lush foliage. A sleek, dark-tiled swimming pool is situated in the foreground, connecting the living spaces to the outdoor environment. The lighting in the image casts a warm glow and creates a serene ambience. A modern, eco-friendly home with a large, expansive patio. The house is constructed from dark gray/green metal, with numerous vertical green plant walls covering portions of the exterior. Large glass windows provide panoramic views of the interior and outdoor garden areas. The interior design is warm, featuring light wood tones, and natural light is abundant. The outdoor patio area is paved with light brown/beige stones, and there is a variety of plants and flowers surrounding lounge furniture, providing a lush, garden-like atmosphere. A modern, minimalist, black-clad mountain house nestled amongst lush greenery and rocks. The house features a green-roofed design, with a variety of yellow wildflowers and other plants cascading down the exterior and surrounding the building. The walls are a dark gray-black, contrasting with the vibrant yellow blooms and the deep green foliage. Large windows provide a stunning view of the misty mountains in the background. The setting is seemingly in a mountainous or hilly region, with large, rough, gray rocks integrated seamlessly into the landscape. A tranquil, floating cabin nestled in a serene lagoon. Oval-shaped, modern dwelling with dark gray/black exterior, contrasting with warm wooden interior accents. Large panoramic windows showcase the peaceful waterside setting with lush greenery and lily pads. Impressionistic rendering of the water, reflecting the cabin's silhouette and interior light ambience, a soft, hazy atmosphere with muted grays and blues. The lush greenery around and in the cabin creates a natural, intimate environment. A comfortable, gray inflatable lounge chair on a wooden dock. A modern, eco-friendly container home nestled amongst lush greenery. High-resolution, hyperrealistic image. Dark gray metal container walls are juxtaposed with warm wooden decking and interior accents. Extensive green vertical gardens, both on balconies and cascading down the sides of the structure. Natural light streams into the open-plan space through large windows, illuminating the interior with a warm, golden hue. The visible living area features a comfortable seating arrangement, a kitchen area with stainless steel appliances, and a fire pit on the outdoor deck. Soft lighting fixtures highlight the interior spaces. A modern minimalist Japanese house with large glass windows and sliding doors, seamlessly extending onto a meticulously crafted Zen garden. Hyperrealistic rendering. The house features a dark, charcoal gray exterior, contrasting beautifully with the light woods. The interior of the home is visible through the windows, with natural light illuminating the space with a warm glow. The Zen garden is comprised of a shallow pond reflecting the surrounding trees and the house, with smooth, gray stones, and a bed of light gray raked gravel. Various lush green trees and shrubs are strategically placed throughout the garden, and a large bonsai tree sits in the foreground by the water. A modern, modular, dark gray metal container home with a large covered deck. The home is framed by lush greenery, with vertical gardens cascading down the sides and potted plants and flowers on balconies. The interior of the home is visible through large sliding glass doors and windows, showcasing a living area with comfortable furniture. The deck has a warm, light brown wooden floor, and outdoor seating in a muted color palette. The overall aesthetic is modern and inviting, blending indoor and outdoor living spaces. Impressionistic rendering, with soft lighting highlighting the textures of the materials. A modern, luxury home nestled within lush tropical greenery. The home's architecture is sleek and minimalist, featuring dark gray, charcoal-toned exterior walls and large expanses of glass windows, letting in warm, golden light that illuminates the interior spaces. The interior is visible through the windows, showing a spacious living area with a fireplace, a dining area, and a comfortable seating arrangement, likely enjoying the outdoor ambience. Plants are incorporated throughout the home's design, including on balconies and in planters, creating a natural extension to the interior and exterior.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.